We're back! Hi, I'm Muriel and welcome to another crazy ride. If you have been following us before, you know that Johan and I want to share all the fun that we are having with our rides in our own area or during our road trips abroad. And that we had to take some time off from the channel. But that doesn't mean that we didn't do any rides. Besides some beautiful rides in Portugal, we did 5 more new Crazy Rides tours in Spain and France. So together with the tours we did earlier this year, we will be adding 9 new tours to our online road trip planning tool on our website. Hopefully before the end of this year, if I get to all the editing of the videos and making ebooks with all the information that we want to share. We still have a road trip to the south of England with friends coming up, and we will be organizing the 20th Road King weekend with some 25 friends in September. And we're also organizing a slightly bigger event. Our club, the Friends on Wheels Antwerp, organizes the Big 5 every year, and our little club, as part of this Friends on Wheels Antwerp, we are Friends on Wheels Brabant, now organizes for the first time the Tiny 2. On the second Saturday of October, we will have a maximum of 122 motorbikes, solo or duo, riding through our province of Brabant on the nicest, smallest roads that this area has to offer for 222 kilometers. For only €22.22, all participants will get the ride in 4 parts, and then they will have a coffee at the start and at the morning stop with a tiny cake. Then we will have lunch and another drink at the afternoon stop, and all participants who will end at our last stop will most probably get a tiny present or even goodie bag. So we think the Tiny 2 will be big fun. And today we will be deciding on the second part of the Tiny 2. So we have 2 nice rides to do today and then decide which one we prefer. Oh, and we still have a few tickets available. So if you are or can be in the Brabant area on October 8th and you are interested in joining us in the Tiny 2, we will share the link in the subscription of the video. Well, we are still in doubt about the 2 different rides, because we think that one is the more scenic one but has way too many speed bumps to our liking, and the other one does have less speed bumps but is also slightly less scenic. So we're in doubt. What would you prefer? So let us know. Beautiful scenic with speed bumps, or a little less scenic without that many speed bumps? Let us know in the comments. Of course, we will post a video of the actual Tiny 2 later, and we want to start posting videos of all the fun that we're having every week again. So if you like this video and don't want to miss all that fun, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to keep going crazy now, you can watch the video that we made on the Big 5, where we were handing out Crazy Rides brochures. It's in the middle of your screen.